Is this fun? Look at rainbow. Oh my god, guys. I've been plowing for 45 minutes. As Legacy, ADS, and on the other side, the Integra is all covered up. I'm gonna pull the car out. We'll put this into a test. Ice Blazer Saloon. It's very deep. We go. Is this fun? Look at rainbow.
Right in the face, man. Wow.
Alright, so this is the main road that we're gonna come in, and that's just where my house is. There we go. Get in there. It's just icy, the bottom. Jeez, man, this is crazy. This is a quiet ride, not much vehicle out here. Shit, a fucking semi. Trying to get the semi out. There's a couple tractors.